Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the display. Now let's tap on advanced, and as you can see right under it we've got the sleep option, so let's enter. And here we've got some settings, some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now I've got 30 minutes option applied. This option is marked, so that's why I know that I've got this option. So all you have to do in order to change the sleep option is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So let me pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see we just got back to the display and we do not have to enter the sleep option because here it is notified that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.